Hello everybody. Today I decided to show a doorbell from Aliexpress, and I bought it because in in my local shop I saw only wireless doorbells, and as I already have wired doorbell in my house, I wanted it wired. Okay, and the price of this doorbell was more than 3 euros. In local shop, what I have found, it's about 10 euros, and they didn't suit my need. Okay, then I want to show what is inside. Okay, and the inside. Small Kirkut. What else? The model of the doorbell. I don't I don't know which is this one. On connection, red goes to 12 volts, black to ground, and green yellow to make a bell. Okay, let's try it. Okay, connected 12 volts. It rings 2 times. And the question, what will happen if caller will press the button and keep it holding? It rings only once. And maybe it has 2 tones, because in the connection diagram it shows bell 1 and bell 2. Let's check that. I see that second wire, this yellow one, is connected to the ground. And this means that it indeed has only one toe, and you may connect green wire to the yellow to get the ringing, or you can connect green wire to the ground. That's it.